Come on. Ripple, dead bird. Dead bird, come on. Do your job. Dead bird. Come on. Come on, Rip. Ripple, over here. Dead bird, over here. Come on. Come on. Dead bird right here. Right here, Ripple, right here. Right there. There you go. Now I don't have to get it. You're doing your job. Come on, Rip. Bring it home. Ripple, hey! She does like feathers.
They're nice and soft.
That means she doesn't have a totally soft mouth. Hey! Don't eat it. Come on. Do your job. This is what we've been training for. Come on. Come on, Ripple. Come on. Bring her home. All right. Come on. It's cold out here. Let's get inside. Ripple. Dead bird. Dead bird, Ripple. Dead bird. Bring it in. It's cold out here. I don't want to stand out here all day. Come on, bring it in. Come on, Ripple. Ripple, come on. Come on. Come on. Bring it home. That's our dinner, Rip.